Hey everyone, let's make Sabudana vada today. So, to make the Sabudana vada, 1 cup of Sabudana which I have soaked overnight and which doubles in size and it softens all the way. So, just soak in enough water, and then we need some boiled potatoes which I have smashed. So I'm taking the same ratio as the Sabudana, but you can choose less if you like. Now to spice it up, I have ginger and green chili paste, and I have some chopped green chilies plus roasted and crushed peanuts. It gives a very nice texture. Also some chopped coriander, as much as you like, salt to taste, and if you're using for fasting then use the sendha namak. Now from my spice box I'm going to add some cumin. So this is the whole cumin seeds. And then we're going to add some chili flakes. You can skip it if you like. Now we are going to mix everything well so that it has nicely binded together. Now add some lemon juice. Now I'm going to apply some oil to my palm so that when I make the vadas, it does not stick to my hand. You can also use water. So I'm going to shape it into a ball and then flatten it. You can make small or big depending on your preference. And there is a secret to make this vadas very crispy, which I'm going to share with you. So we are going to freeze this for 20 minutes. So when you fry them, they will absorb less oil, plus the vadas will be very crispy and crunchy. So after 20 minutes, let's fry them. The oil is ready to fry, and we are going to fry the vadas until they are nice and golden on both sides. So Sabudana vada has fried completely, and as you can see the nice beautiful golden color, and I'm going to show you how crunchy it is. So serve this with chutney and you can hear the crunch. It's so crunchy outside and super delicious. So I hope you find this recipe helpful. Serve this with masala tea and enjoy as a breakfast or a snack. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.